Hi everyone, welcome back to another day of stats. Today we're going to take a look at picking items from a table using your random digits table. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what I have written down for you here, it says a restaurant reviewer wishes to check out the cuisine in the Lansdale area. His population is 72 restaurants that are Chinese, Italian, and Mexican. This is alphabetically as follows. And then a chain restaurant is marked with a star. So you can see that they order them from A to Z, and to the right-hand column, you'll see a C, an I, or an M. So that indicates whether the restaurant is Chinese, Italian, or Mexican. So it says that he decides to review 15 restaurants using a random digits table. So what we need to do, remember it has to be 72 restaurants. So we're going from 0, 1 to 72. And it says that we should start picking our numbers starting at line 126. So we're looking for 2-digit numbers that fall between 0, 1, and 72. Obviously, we're not going to choose repeats because we already reviewed the restaurant. So my first 2-digit number is 96. That's too large. 92 is too large. 71 is a winning one, so I'm going to write it in the table right here. So it says to complete the chart across, and then we're going to go down. All right, if we keep looking, 99 is no good, so we're going to cross it off. 31 is my next number, so going across, I'm going to put a 31 here. Notice I'm leaving a space to put the restaurant names because it's easier to go back and add them in after I'm all finished. My next number is 36, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 36 down here. An 8, so I got 0, 8. And I'm going to cross off, let's see, my next number, looks like I drew over it a little bit. Let me just erase that so I can more easily see that number. Okay, so I got 0, 8, and then 97 crossed off. 41 is a good number. 92 is no good. 77 is too high, but 56 is good. 78 is too large. 87 is no. 41 is a good number. Oh, but you see how we already have 41? Don't need that one, but 48 is one that I have not yet had. Then I got 40. So again, remember, you can't write duplicates because we can't review the same restaurant twice. 94 is no good, but 19 is good. And then 3 is also good. Go into our next line. We have 43, which is not a duplicate. Lots of 40s though. Then we have 90. We have 99, 94, 77, 25. Then I have 33. I have 0, 6, and 43 for my last one. Oh no, I've already reviewed 43, so my next one is 59. Now that I have those numbers written down, I would go back up to my table and write down what restaurants that those numbers correspond with. So for example, 71 corresponds with walk and roll. So I'm going to write down that number right here. So this is walk in roll. And I'm also going to indicate the Chinese part of it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue filling in my table. You guys can go ahead and fill in yours as well. I'm not going to keep scrolling because I think we'll get busy. Again, make sure you indicate the type of the restaurant because at the very bottom, we're going to have to total up how many of each we have. Are you getting hungry doing this? I sure am. Now I think I want some Chinese food because they keep popping up on here. final one is Sophie's. All right, so now that I have those written down, we have to go through and total up how many of each one we have. So if we add up all the C's, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different Chinese restaurants. Oh, that's what's happening. This one right here was Chinese. I just kept moving the screen. As far as Italian restaurants, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different Italian restaurants. And then Mexican, if we tout up all those ones, I only have 1 Mexican restaurant in my choice. Okay, great job today. We're going to be doing more of these in class, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thanks and have a great day. Bye.